Whiteout conditions. Very dangerous to walk out in, and very dangerous to drive out in. So for your own safety, no unnecessary travel. Never park your cars in the road for the plow guys, because then you could get a ticket and you cannot afford to get a ticket. And keep the snow banks away from the road as far as possible, so motorists could get by on your street. And if you guys have a fire hydrant right at your house, or any sort of important emergency thing right on side your house that's built into the ground, make sure you dig it out. Safety matters. Blowing and drifting of the snow. Look at that. Alright folks, I'm going to wrap up this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you be safe in these winter weather conditions. And if you want to leave a comment, make sure they're nice comments. No rude or mean ones. And no spamming. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of my videos.